Guys, today we caught a little bird. Can I pet it? It's an actual sparrow. It's so cute. And these little naughty cats caught them. We're gonna set it free.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, oh my god, I'm shaking. Go, go, go. Why?
It's okay, bud.
Come on, little bird. My little. There it
There
goes.
it goes.
Oh my god. You little naughty cats! Scram, you little cats! These naughty little cats caught a a little sparrow. I like to call birds burbs. Burb.
Poor little herb.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe we actually caught a sparrow. Oh my god, our cats need some training. They have to be trained not to capture those birds like that. There was a sparrow in my room. It was just flying around the corner. It was like, oh my god, Daddy, there's a sparrow. And then it literally went behind the curtain, and baby kitty was just trying to get it, and then I was like, Daddy, there was a sparrow in my room. And then he came running, and he's like a bird? Where? And then he saw it, and he picked it up, and then the cats tried to get it, and then it just flew out of the room, and started recording, and then it was all crazy. We let it go, and then, it's safe. Oh my god. I can't believe there was a sparrow. I was literally shaking. I'm still shaking.
Poor little bird.
Oh my god. I haven't seen a bird I haven't had a bird in a long time.
Did you ever pet a bird before?
No.
That's your first bird?
Yeah. Okay, guys. And I also lost a tooth on Christmas. And so, guys, we're going to end it here. This was a very short video, but the excitement all ended here. So, bye, guys.